Hey guys, Shamar Crusty here, welcome back to the channel. And guess what? I know the last time y'all saw me I was on work and travel, but the work and travel is now over. I am on vacay and we're in New York City. This is like a backyard of a New York apartment, but we're in Brooklyn. We're in Brooklyn right now. We are staying with Alicia's aunts currently, and then we're gonna visit my brother who also lives in New York. But currently we are in Brooklyn. It's been good so far. I mean, the flight here was pretty fun. Here's a little clip of that. We also did a couple shopping around. We went to the pier, saw some birds and all that stuff. All that was done. And now it's time to go to one of like New York's hottest tourist spots, I guess. We're going to Times Square. I know, it's exciting, and I'm carrying you guys along with me, of course. And how we're gonna get there is a real New York City type of way. We're gonna take the subway, which I'm looking forward to doing. So let's go. Alicia, yeah. Let's go to the train station.
Oh my gosh, I need to take the subway. Can you imagine you eat subway on a subway?
Oh my goodness. Translate. It is pretty cool.
Is this like the best place ever? I think this is the best place ever.
Target!
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, it's Minnie and Mickey.
Oh my gosh, why are they walking around? It's so weird. Wow.
Yeah. What?
This is the best city ever. I'm in love and I'm gonna move here someday.
Oh my goodness, it's Spider-Man just walking around. And they have random snakes over there. Yes, indeed.
Because I want those first so much to see.
Yeah.
Oh my god, how do you not come here all the time? I haven't been here for ages. Wow. I love it here.
Okay, Alicia, so you're in Times Square, right?
Yes.
What are you thinking?
I love it here.
You love it in Times Square?
Yes, it's just so, it's like a melting pot like I've never seen before. There's so many different people here.
So many people in my background right now.
Yeah, and
pretty sure
in the foreground.
And in the foreground.
In the foreground is even more crazy.
In front of us. Oh. The view is crazy.
Honestly, I can't imagine ever being bored here. There's always some restaurant to go to, some show to see. Like there was literally a Broadway show that we accidentally were in line for. It's so cool. I love it here. I want to move here.
She said.
Yeah, I'm gonna move here and leave tomorrow alone.
Okay, cool. Yeah, the ball drop. You see where the 2022 is?
That's where it is.
Yep, that's the ball drop. Alright, we're stopping to purchase a hot dog real quick. Infamous street hot dog. Bam. And I got the kebab. I'll show you guys that in a second. Let's test out this first though.
How New York of you to be eating a hot dog?
Black hot dog, right?
They're lying.
Alright, so after that last clip, I had to come into the bathroom real quick because, like, oh my goodness, I had to pee so badly. But so far, New York is awesome. I've been to Times Square before. Like, this is about my third time here. But you know, it's always pretty amazing seeing it. You know, every time that I do get to see it, it's awesome. Like the scenery, you guys can tell. I don't know if it translates well on camera, but it's really cool. Like it's really cool seeing all those buildings, those billboards, the lights, the colors, the people. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. Guys, we're in Old Navy. How's that ice cream? How's the ice cream? Soft serve. I got this Italian ice, but I'm also gonna get that ice cream because I love that type of ice cream. It's like McDonald's ice cream. Right now, we finna leave New York. It was fun. But yeah. We are finna leave the city now and go and take the subway back home, and I think I'll continue this New York vlog a little bit later on. But yeah.
फार आगे पे लॉन्ड्री बैग डालेंगे इसमें.
We are on our way to Green Acres Mall today.
By ourselves.
By ourselves in the middle of New York. It's gonna be fun.
At first our plans were to like go to Manhattan, but I decided against it.
$3,70,000.
No.
Y'all probably can't hear us. Sandra just wants that.
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you and I can't.
Alright guys, our first stop is our trauma. Walmart. Let's see what this Walmart is giving me. Bruh, that Walmart was lame. Ours was bigger and ours actually had bags. I guess in New York City they banned plastic bags or something like that. So I had to go to Five Below to buy some bags. So that's why in this next clip you're gonna see Five Below bags, even though it's Walmart products that are inside of the bags. Alright guys, so we went into Walmart, we took up a couple things, Alicia as well. And now we're going over to the mall and it's 1 o'clock now. So the first thing I'm gonna do is
Shamar is hungry, guys.
We're hungry?
Sorry, we can do all our shopping and then eat, but he's like, I'm so hungry.
no, we're gonna eat first and then do the rest of the shopping.
After I eat, I'm done. Like I can't walk anymore.
No, just take a minute to digest it. Simple. And then we'll get back to action. And yeah, well, I'm just hungry right now. It's like midday. We're entering through this Macy's real quick. Non-stop the film Macy's is expensive. So we just gotta go through it.
Target is just like Walmart, but overpriced and more aesthetic.
Food court things. You know that kid literally went down and then back up and now she's going down again?
Well, you know, that's very entertaining.
No.
If they had those in Jamaica and I was a kid, I'd be going up and down too.
Yeah man, falling on them on your
What?
face.
The freak, no.
Food court. Okay guys, so I just got this food. It's chicken teriyaki. I got some vegetables and white rice and a Sprite. Simple. Alicia is gonna get the same chicken teriyaki, but she's gonna get noodles, lo mein. She's gonna get that. I'm so hungry. I actually started eating without updating you guys because oh my goodness, this food tastes so good. I haven't had it in like 2 years. Tariku, Japan.
I got shrimp and chicken teriyaki.
Damn, this Alicia's very unhealthy. But it tastes good. Look at it. It tastes good though.
No, this is vegetables, alright? Vegetables.
Wow. Vegetables. That makes such a difference. guys, super warm. But now I'm at the beach. I'm at the beach, literally at the beach. Water over there. I'm here with my nephew. He's over there in like the freaking water. But I just want to stay dry right now and just relax. I'm not looking out at him right now, but I'm so happy that it's windy down here and cool, although the sun is out, like thingy. And it's the same day, by the way, guys. It's the same day. There he is. I'm about to help him build a sandcastle or something, man. You cold? I thought you said I thought you said it was warm.
No, because when you sit down on the sand is a little cold.
Alright, let's make a sandcastle. I'ma get up. Let's make a sandcastle.
You have to get water.
No, you don't need water.
How about this? When I come back, you have to be finished.
Let's see what happens.
But I need to finish. I need to
Alright guys, I'm gonna build a sandcastle real quick.